Diodes are used in the design of rectifier circuits, which is perhaps their most famous application. The rectifier is an essential building block of a DC power supply. It is also used in the adapters that connect your laptop to the mains. The figure on your screen shows a block diagram of a DC power supply. Notice how the output waveform changes after every step. The diode rectifier output cannot be fed directly to the load because of its pulsating nature. We pass it through a filter to reduce variations in magnitude. However, ripples still remain that are a function of time. To eliminate them too, we employ a voltage regulator to give a constant output immune to changes in load current and variations in AC line voltage. This can be implemented using a Zener shunt regulator, as we saw in previous lesson, or more commonly via an integrated circuit IC regulator. We will study ICs in later courses.